Hi, family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. So, today we're gonna be doing some fruit salad. Let's get right into the process. The first thing you would like to do is to wash your fruits thoroughly, peel them, and cut them to the desired shape. So, fam, if your fruits are very big, you must not use everything, just cut half of it and preserve the rest in the refrigerator. So fam, we sliced about 8 different fruits which are loaded with many essential nutrients like potassium, dietary fiber, vitamin C, and folic acid. I can hear some of you already saying, oh, that's a lot of fruits, I don't have those around me. Don't you worry. With 3 fruits, 4 fruits, whatever fruits you have around you, that's perfect. Your fruit salad will still be good. It's still going to provide you the nutrients you need. So just use whatever you have. So fam, if you're thinking of eating healthy or maybe losing weight, these fruits are essential for you because they are low in sodium, fats, and calories. So fam, the last step into our fruit salad is to actually slice and squeeze all our citrus fruits and pour the juice into our sliced fruits. Oh my god, you could chill it in the refrigerator maybe for about 20 minutes or you could eat it immediately. The best time to eat your fruits is in the morning after a glass of water, and if you're trying to control your portions, just eat your fruit before your meal because it's gonna help you feel full. Thank you so much family for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye.